We're going to set up a smart contract here. The name of the smart contract is going to be Gitcoin Passport Demo. We're going to make it valid forever, infinite number of memberships, and it's free. We're going to set up the smart contract. We will sign the transaction and Unlock will set that up. Okay, the lock's been deployed. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go in and we're going to actually set up the Gitcoin Passport hook. So we're going to go into settings, we're going to go down to advanced, and we're going to go to hooks. And this is a type of key purchase hook. So we're going to choose Gitcoin Passport verification. And we're going to say your Gitcoin Passport score needs to be at least 20 in order for you to purchase this particular membership or ticket or subscription. So we'll set that to 20. We'll confirm the transaction. And now what this is doing is actually changing the behavior of the smart contract. So on checkout time or on purchase time, the only one who can purchase it is somebody who has a wallet with at least a 20 score on the Gitcoin Passport. And what we can do is we can go take a look back, make sure it took. We'll go back into hooks and look at that, and we can see that it's set to 20.